Hi, everyone. My name is Erin Butker, and I am the coordinator of undergraduate recruitment for UMBC at the universities at Shady Grove. I want to thank you all for coming to our undergraduate program director virtual open house. And although we've had to switch this from an in-person to an online format, we're here to give you the same great information about UMBC-Shady Grove and the 6 undergraduate programs that we have to offer. So during the open house, you'll have the opportunity to attend up to 2 breakout sessions, depending on the programs of your choice. But first, before we dive into the event, I do want to mention a little bit more about UMBC at Shady Grove. So the universities at Shady Grove is a full-service collaborative campus that hosts 9 different institutions, UMBC being one of them. I do want to mention that as a student here, you are earning the same UMBC degree that our students at main campus are pursuing, because you are taking this UMBC curriculum with UMBC professors. So when you graduate, your diploma will say a bachelor's from UMBC. Something that is unique about UMBC at Shady Grove is that all of our students are transfer students. And that is because we only offer the upper level coursework in our undergraduate programs here. So I highly encourage you to schedule a virtual pre-transfer advising appointment with me so we can take a look at your transcript and make sure you're on track for a seamless transfer. You can view the appointment times to schedule one of those virtual pre-transfer advising appointments at shadygrove.umbc.edu/visit. You can also check out our other upcoming virtual events. For those who are applying for this fall, please keep in mind that the priority application deadline is going to be March 1st, and then the final deadline is June 1st. If you have any pre-transfer related questions or application questions, please feel free to email me. My email is erin.botker@umbc.edu. Have an awesome time at our virtual open house. Stay healthy and stay safe.